Hello students, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss membership operator. Okay, this operator was left to explain. So in this video, I'm going to explain about membership operators. So without wasting your and my time, let's start with this new topic. Here we go with this new topic. Okay, now I'm going to show you. We're going to discuss membership operators. See, definition you can see on the screen I have written. These operators are used to test whether a value is a member of a sequence. Sequence means string, list, or tuple. These operators are used to check whether a value is the member of a sequence or not. Sequences, the common sequences in Python are string, list, and tuples. Okay, so here I'm going to discuss about these two operators. So Python has two membership operators. First is in operator. It returns true if the given value is the member of a sequence. Sequence ka matlab here it may be string, maybe list, or maybe tuple. Okay, it returns true if a given value is the member of a sequence. Now another one is not in. Not in, it returns true if the given number is not the member of a sequence, just opposite of in, not in. Okay. Now let's explain with example. Let's understand with example. 3 in 1, 2, 3, 4 will return. As you can see, it's a list. Okay. It's a list and we are checking whether this 3 is in this list or not. This we are going to check. And for that, we have an operator that is what? In operator, that is also called, it is one of the membership operators. Okay, so you can see this 3 is in this sequence in this list. Yes, so in this case, this operator will return true. Okay, because 3 is the member of this list. Okay, you know list, about list, tuple, dictionary, shed, everything. About all these things I have explained in my previous video that was about data type. Okay, so please watch that video. And now next is another example I've taken with string. You can see it's a string and we're checking whether this letter A is in this string or not. Okay, so you can see this A is in the string, is not in the string. So in this case, in operator will return false because A is not in the string Python. Okay, so now these are two membership operators. Simple, the names are saying membership operators. They check for the membership of a value. They check for the membership of a value in a sequence. Sequence means a string, list, or tuple. Okay, let's explain. Let me explain with the idea. Practically, we are going to explain this. Let's see. Here we go. Let me show you through ideally. Here I'm taking the same example 3 in, and here I'm taking the example of list 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this function, this operator here in operator will return true because this 3 is in this list. 3 is the member of this list. So it will return true. Now I'm taking another example. That same example I'm taking A in Python. Okay, you can see the letter A is not in this string. The letter A is not the member of this string Python. So in this case, in operator will return false. Okay, one more example. I'm taking one example of tuple. Okay, I'm taking this 3. In, tuple is written in small bracket parenthesis. I'm taking the example of tuple. Now see, 3 in this tuple 1, 2, 3, 4. The number 3 is in this tuple. Is the member of this tuple? Yes. So you can see this operator is returning true here. Okay. Now next is, now I'm going to explain the not in operator. Okay. Same examples I will take with the not in. Not in is the just opposite of in. Okay. Let me show you. Here I'm writing 3 not in. You can see 3 is in the list 1, 2, 3, 4. But here we are using not in operator. So 3 not in 1, 2, 3, 4 will return false. 3 not in 1, 2, 3, 4 will return false. I'm taking the same example with the second one. Instead of in, I'm going to use not in. Not in Python. A not in Python, it's true. Okay, so it will return true here. Okay, now let's see with the same example of tuple also. 3 in, instead of in, I'm writing not in. Not in. 3 not in 1, 2, 3, 4, it is false. So it will return false. So like this, these are the example of what? Membership operators, not in and in. Two operators are there. And simply the names are saying membership operator, means they check whether a value is a member of a list or not. So for this video, this much only. If any doubt, you can ask through the comment section, and keep on watching my videos and keep suggesting. If you have any suggestion for me for the betterment of the videos, please suggest me. Thank you.